Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. So today I'm bringing to you a little mini guide to crocheted gifts. We are very close to Christmas now. Christmas is just a few weeks away, and I thought a little guide to quick and fast, easy gifts would be great. So like I said, this little guide of 10 free patterns is going to be focused on a fast and easy crochet gift to make, just because of the timeline. I do have other videos on my channel about crocheted gifts that may include what I call like longer projects, like shawls and so on. So today my first crocheted gift that is fast and easy is this beautiful scarf that I crocheted a few weeks ago. I will be linking all of the free patterns in the description box. So every single project I'm mentioning today will be linked in the description box, so don't worry. And yes, so they are all available for free. So this is a beautiful little scarf, and this is a really lovely little crocheted gift that's so pretty, and it was crocheted with a lovely little fluffy yarn. I think it was Caron Colorama yarn. Again, if you click on the links in the description box, the whole details will show up, so don't worry. This, I'm going to try and be a bit speedy in this video so that it's not too long. So I'm just going to do a brief presentation. So this is a great gift because this is a chunky weight yarn, and this scarf builds up really fast, and it's so pretty, and it makes a great gift. Second up in this guide is this beautiful crochet bow. I did release the tutorial a few years ago or last year, I can't remember, and it's so perfect for the Christmas season. Again, the free pattern and video tutorial, they are both available, and I will be linking the tutorial and free pattern in the description box, and this makes a great Christmas gift. I did sew a little slide at the back, so this makes a great gift. Next up, we have a scrunchie. So scrunchies are so pretty. Crochet scrunchies are so beautiful. And this is a very simple and dainty scrunchie. It is made with Lion brand Kobu yarn, and I will be linking the project in the description. So next up we have this beautiful French beret design. I absolutely love it. It has a large brim on it, and I think it just creates such a beautiful gift. It's a fast project to make, and people will love this as a Christmas gift. Next up, we have a beautiful textured headband. Again, this is so pretty, but it's also such a practical gift. People absolutely love these types of gifts because they are so practical. So these little headbands, winter ear warmer type of projects are really great because they can be crocheted in so many different colors and in so many different ways. So yes, this is a great crochet gift for Christmas, and it works up so fast. This can be made in an hour, I would say. So if you're looking for a last minute gift, look no further. Another little gift that is perfect is another little scrunchie. This is a Coquette inspired scrunchie. I think it is also made with Kobu yarn. As you can see, there is a theme here. I do love that yarn, and I love that this pattern features two different colors. that are perfect as a gift, and this works up really fast. And yesterday I did go Christmas shopping for the first time in an organized fashion, and they had so many crocheted scrunchies on sale as gift sets in the shop I went to. I was really surprised because I'd never really seen that before. And yeah, so people are loving these crochet scrunchies. So next up we have this beautiful textured man scarf. I did release this tutorial a few weeks ago, and it's so pretty, it's so masculine. The yarn I used is one of my favorite yarns. It's from James C. Brett, and I think it's called Marble Chunky. Obviously, every single pattern will be linked in the description, so just click on the pattern and then you'll have every single detail concerning each project I'm presenting to you. And this makes a great project as a gift. Every time I crochet a scarf for a man, it's a huge hit, and yeah, it's a great gift and it's so unique, and yeah, this is a great gift. This dainty little flower headband would make such a wonderful gift. It's perfect. Obviously, this is more of a spring summer design, but nonetheless, people do love headbands. This is great in the summer, in the spring, and it works up so fast. I just love it. And I do have this little crochet bag. I was meant to be lining it, so I will be lining it very soon. I think this would make a great gift. The tutorial, I think I released it last year, and it's a unique little granny square design that I made last year, and I just adore the different colors, and this makes a wonderful gift, and it works up really fast because it's quite a small bag. On the pictures it looks bigger than it actually is, but it's kind of like a mini tote bag, and this makes a great gift, and I will be lining it, so let me know in the comments if you want the video on how to line a crochet bag. And yes, last but not least is this beautiful and unique Victorian inspired hood / bonnet. I absolutely adore this project. It's really unique and it works up really fast because I did use chunky yarn or Aran, like a thick Aran. This is also Colorama yarn that I doubled up. So I doubled up the strands of yarn as I was crocheting, and this creates a very chunky and warm effect, and it works up really fast. It's super easy and it creates the most beautiful vintage look. So yes, that's my mini guide to fast and easy crochet presents. If you needed a bit of inspiration before Christmas, if you were in a bit of a panic about what am I going to gift, well, this is your guide. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know there's a lot of good stuff out there, so I really appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.